What's up guys, you can see right now I'm trading gold on UTrading, but you can actually trade forex right now on UTrading using Bybit. All right, you can see right now I'm making about $27 profit currently on what, on trading gold on UTrading bot. All right, you can use UTrading bot to trade gold on Bybit right now. I'm running $27 in profit. All right, so you can see, so it is very simple. So I don't have, so I'm just, and this is on my position right now. I'm getting 26, or this one I'm getting some drawdown, little drawdown, this one. So but I've already made some profits on these small, I'm just taking small risks. All right, you can see, but this one I'm getting $26 profit already on gold trading on UTrading. All right, so if I want to even close the trade right now, I'll just say like this. I'll just say stop. I'll just click on stop now. All right, I have already stopped the trade. See, I got $26. All right, I got $26 profit right now trading gold on UTrading bot. Then I'll now leave the rest of the all right, to be running. So all this one are, they are still running trade. They are still normal. When you are trading, there will be some minus before start saying positive, green. So that's normal in trading. So I'm just drawdown of minus 23. It's normal. So I can see that my total profit right now is about 1,347. You can see, all right, PNL 1,347. And you can see this one is a 12,900 what, $911 right now on UTrading bot, right? And but it's I'm taking the risks, small risks, small risks, not too much. But if you want to join my Telegram to be getting updates, make sure you come to my Telegram and join. And if you want to trade gold, let me show you. You come to this market area. All right, when you come to market area, you make sure your account is on what, trade 5, this one. Then when you come to, you are going to see something like, you can even trade silver and gold, and this is gold. All right, for those of you who don't know how to set up a bot, you can use either this one, all right, AIDCA Pro, this one, to trade for you automated. Then you pick, can you see, you can pick gold here, you can pick gold to trade for you. You click on confirm. You can do the one of hedge fund if you don't know how to trade, so that the bot can be doing it for you. Then you select your leverage. If it is 10x, you select it. Then if you want to go for immediate, then you can click on auto. The bot will select it for you. It will select the time. All right, then you can, if you want to go for add position settings, all right, you can add like three position. It depends on you. Then you can see, then you leave it like this. Then position cycle here, this one cycle, if you want to go for it, this one, we have different setup. All right, you can see stop loss, take profit is it depend on you, customize is depend, add condition. So anyhow, you can just leave it. The bot will do everything for you automated. All right, so let's say on your account, let's say you can this one is your account. Let's say this is the, if I do it like this, is 100% of my something. No, I will not do that. So you will just make sure to use how many percent of your account. If it is 10%, or let's say I want to just use how many percent, I can use 5%, or depend on your account size. This I want to just use 15% of my account, or 20% of my account. Let's want to use something small money, 50% of my account. So I'll just click on launch. Then the bot will trade for me automated, and That's all. There is all right. I just want to just leave 15% of my account to trade or two. So I'll just click on launch, waiting. Then I'll just make sure to leave it like this. Then it will keep waiting for me. So the boat will open both long and short. All right, for me. So that is for AIDCA Pro SAU, which is good. So that's a very, very simple strategy. So in my next comment, I'll show you guys some new strategy you can use to trade gold and you start making your money on UTrading. It's very, very simple and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now.